We got a good one today, guys. We've got the 3-ton Vevor air jack. I'm going to unbox and assemble right now. Yeah, we have a manifold here with the, wow, let me get my glasses. It looks like it might actually have the correct fitting on there for my kind of hoses. Wow, that's pretty awesome. Let me go double check that on a hose. It does fit my hoses. So I think they call that the M style. This is like 10.5 inches in diameter, the airbag is. The footprint needs to be 9.5. Let's get this turned over. By 12. The overall distance is around 14.5 by 9 3/4. Without the handle. Contact pad right here needs to be just under 4 inches in diameter. Yep. And it sticks out the top about 3/4 of an inch. It's about 3/4 of an inch above this plate here. Yeah, there's some moisture in here. It's Georgia humidity. It's like living in a sauna and trying to breathe underwater. Okay, so we got some hardware here, and it seems to have another fitting here that's of a different style. In case you're using a different style fitting, you can swap out the one that's on here, but lucky for me, I don't have to because that's my style of fitting. And we've got some handle stuff here. It doesn't look like there's going to be a whole lot to this assembly. Looks like it's going to be pretty quick and easy. Okay, the instructions aren't that very good, but they do have a picture showing where the hose goes in here and comes out here. But I mean, this is literally all they tell you. Fix the valve component, fix the handle and fix it. Fix the bottom of the handle, connect the inflation hose securely. It's a good thing that we don't need no thinking instructions. What we do need is some Loctite, going all these little bolts and screws, a number 3 Phillips for these screws, a 10 monkey meters for these nuts, which I really like that these are nylon lock washers, which means we really don't need the Loctite, but I'm going to put Loctite on there anyway because it won't hurt. And we're going to need the 5 monkey meters Allen. These little bolts right here go up from the bottom. You can see there is recesses right here so that the head can go in here and be recessed like these are. So this can lay nice and flat. This is one of the best things about these airbag jacks is if you have nice pretty floors or something, or you have mats on the floors where you want to use the jack, this spreads out the pressure over a nice flat even surface and doesn't damage your floor as much as a roll around conventional jack does. Now I want this upside down for this part. I'm going to pull this hose out. And normally I would just stick this in here and go ahead and bolt this up. But look right here. That looks really sharp to me. And I want this hose, this air hose, to last for a really long time. And it's going to be up inside there. I don't want it rubbing against a sharp edge. So I'm going to clear up that edge a little bit. So that really opened her up. So much so that I could take some of this hose right here, fill that up, and now this hose can go through here, very well protected. With no problem. It's still got a little room to breathe. That should last forever. Next video, we jack up a car with it.